Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to guide you how to install and download Shein on your Android phone. So go to Play Store, then search Shein, SHEIN. Select SHEIN-Shopping online. Select install. 500 million plus downloads. 8 million reviews. So go to Google Play Store and type SHEIN-Shopping online. So the app is getting ready. Shein is a global online shopping app. It sells affordable fashion, beauty products, accessories, home goods. It started in 2008 and is now one of the most downloaded shopping apps in the world. So the app is installed. Select open. They ship their goods and products to over 150 countries, including UK, US, Canada, Australia, and most of Europe. Welcome to Shein. Then you select your location and language and also the currency. Then you select Shop Now. Turn alert. Just need to scroll down. Shein is known for extremely low affordable. You can find tops for $5 depending on the region. So you can see they have 3-day delivery. Women, curve, men. You can also go to the 3 dots. It will show you the categories. So from the categories, you have new in, 3-day delivery, sales, women clothing, beach wear, curve, home and living, men clothing, kids, underwear and sleepwear, jewelries and accessories, outdoor sports, baby and maternity, toys. Just need to scroll down. So they have various categories. They also have electronics, so they are expanding, and automotive, appliances as well, cell phone and accessories, toys and game, tools and home improvements, home textiles, bags and luggages. So let's say if you go to women clothing, select on women clothing, then it will show you view all and new in, top rated, tops, t-shirt, blouse, tank tops, dress. If you select on dress, for example, it will show you various dresses available. You can select, let's say if you select this particular one, this one is trends. Scroll down, you select the size 6, 8, medium, 12. So you can select particular size you want. For example, let's say if you want S, which is small, then you add to cart, then you select add to cart. So the product is added. So you can continue shopping or you can search the product. You can also use the camera to scan the product or the clothing or any product you want. You can scan the image once you select the camera or you type the product. You can also go to search and type mouse, for example. Then select on it. It will show you mouse pad or select only mouse. Then select search. Then it will show you mouse available. So if you select on women's clothing, women clothes, then it will show you women's clothes available. So I thought to show you how to install Shein. Shein add thousands of new items every single day, whatever style you are looking for. And also they got frequent discount and reward. Shein constantly offer promo code, flash sales, and the point reward system. New user often get a welcome discount on the first order. This cloth we added to the cart. Select on the cart, log in to sign in. You can sign in or create an account. Then you sign in with your Shein account, or you select checkout. Once you select checkout, it gives you option for you to sign in with your email address or phone number email or phone number, or continue with Google, or continue with Facebook. So once you put your email address, then you log in. This is Shein UK. So if you're in the US, it will show you Shein US or region. You can also select the country, scroll down. It will give you various countries you can shop from, or they have Shein. You can see Albania, Andorra, Angola. So you can select your region, you can select your country, let's say Germany. Then it will show you Shein.de, Deutschland. You can put your email or phone number and sign in. So it will take you to Shein Deutschland. So you can scroll down from this list to change your location. So I'm in United Kingdom, select United Kingdom, or once you select United Kingdom, it will show you Shein UK. So this is how to install this app on your Android. If you want to remove the app or uninstall it, and this is the app, go to your phone screen, select on the app, then it gives you option for you to remove or uninstall. Select uninstall. Shein, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. If you keep an eye, you will see that the app will be removed from the screen. So the app is now removed and uninstalled from my phone. Shein size is often different from US or Europe, so it depending on your region or your country. So also bear that in mind. This is how to install Shein app on your Android. Thank you.